this topic, we are going to be looking at 10 concepts, examinable concepts, and also 4 applications of differentiation. Saka the main application of differentiation kutsvaka gradient, but we also have other applications. Okay, let us digress, or let us proceed. Takuda uchitarisa the 10 concepts in differentiation. Saka zvinhu 10 izvi mufanira kuzviziva mukuru. Number 1, the differentiation of a constant. Of a constant. But constant zvoreva kuti not changing, quite obvious. And by constant in mathematics, we refer to just numbers, real numbers. And it. So to understand this is how I learned differentiation. By the way, I started differentiation at O level. Pataita, and a subject knows additional means. Then went on to do it in advanced level. But I want to show you how I understood it at O level, because it's a lot more difficult to understand it at O level. So let us imagine that we have a function. Function yedu yakamira sei. Function yedu yakadai so. Y is equal to ax to the power n. That is the function we have. Toda kutsvaga gradient function kana kuti toda kudifferentiata that. Tinoita sei? Tinoti dy dx. Like this. Change in y relative to, cannot in respect to, change in x. Then what we are going to do is we are going to take n uno, achawe multiplier uno. We are going to take n uno, achawe multiplier uko. But a multiplier kuno, iye n unosara futari uko, then anovaita se, anova subtract 1. Like that. So what do I mean? But n asaro yanovatichi minus 1. Like that. I hope we are together there. So what happens now is, tada iso, tinenge takuita sei? Tinenge takuti, what if y is equal to a constant? Think of any number. Tell me any number musoro menyu.
2.
Any constant, any number.
2.
2. Saka y is equal to 2. Y are equal to 2 kudaro. What we do is, if we want to differentiate y is equals to 2, tinongowedzera x to the power 0 panapa. Coming from the idea yatakadzidza ku O level, inoti iyo x to the power 0 ndiani? Ndi 1. Saka tikati 2x to the power 0 zvakangofanana nekuti 2, because tikuti 2 times 1. Anti? Tadaro tobva tati dy dx is equal to, zvatinochiita zvino manje, 0 uyu handiri handari kuuya uku, saka ichava 2 times ani times 0 to the power x, 0 arapa to subtract ani 1. Saka basically it becomes 2 times 0 ndi 0, x to the power minus 1. Hazvichisina basa kuti tinyore e yakadai so, yakati 0 over x chishandisa laws of indices, because tinoziva kuti any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Saka from this conclusion, we should know that the derivative of a constant is equal to 0. That is what we have to know. Kana chiti derivative, Zvakangofanana kuti gradient function. So derivative of a constant is equal to 0. Handizive kuti asi nekukosha kwazvakaita ngatingodai so because muexam hatina nguva yekuita zvese zvataita izvi. Zvinhu zvarofa wangoziva. Okay. Saka ndikati what is the derivative of 3? Ndiani?
0.
0. What is the derivative of 15? Ndi 0. So long ingori constant. Achiti constant tikureva number isina kuiswa vana x pairi, isina mavariable.